Buenas noches, mi nombre es Oscar Rodríguez, soy estudiante de agronomía del CEA de Facatativá. Voy a hacer un video para inglés. Es una historia contada por Oscar. Hi, storytelling by Oscar Rodríguez. My name is Oscar Rodríguez. I'm 45 years old. I am currently studying to become agricultural engineer. I am remember what started working on farms about 25 years ago. At the time, I was taking some agronomy class university while working and it was work. I am better, I am fun and I'm working with taking course during the work. After taking class on the of years, I got how to managing and the organic dairy farms and it was working the for first several years. I most bonus time in the life. I was trying to balance in my career and the family with also continue to my study. Me with Maria, I am two young kids. Miguel, who was 4, 5, and Lucia was 2 years old. Will was working long hours the farm. Maria takes care of the children and the home. One day, when Miguel was 10 and Lucia was 7, I got often and the new house. Was hesitant to take on the new challenge, but also came and the would require me travel more. Maria, I am talked about and the succeeded danger the house got for it. So the strategy me now have will my family continue to live at the house near the dairy farms. I am still working toward completing my agricultural journey. The great is the being challenger balancing the work school and the family over the years, both in determined to a charities to the goal. My kids, I already know work and the pushing their on the class. I also proud of the and the grateful for Maria support during those push times we have many fond memories from with the kids were young. Muchas gracias.